Despite some unfavorable weather on the forecast, it was time for us to make our way south. We have 2 days to make Georgetown so Kelly can catch a flight back to Florida for some family business. We are heading to Rudder Cut Key to stage for the longer sail down the next day. So the anchorage Kelly picked has a modeling shoot going on.
Yeah, I got you. All day. Here, I got you. Hey, what's up, buddy? Let me give it a try. Can you grab that? Yeah.
With an afternoon to kill, we swam off to find the infamous underwater piano. This magical statue of a mermaid looking at a grand piano was placed here by magician David Copperfield as a quirky surprise for the guest of his nearby private island. This stainless steel statue was hidden here under 15 feet of water. Reaching it can be rather difficult when the current is moving.
So we left our hatches open and it was just downpouring rain when we were snorkeling, and everything is just soaked in here. Just the cushions. Well, there you go, Arthur. The floor. We've mopped some of this up already, but these, you can just see that this shit is just soaked. And my computer was right under the window, so this thing, I'm hoping, oh man, that's not the way to treat a laptop. Let's hope it turns on. Oh, it is on. Well, let's turn it off. I'll shut it down right now. Well, that's good. I think these new Macs are waterproof. No. And Arthur's excited that we're home. Oh my God. It just came down.
I saw it coming, that's why I went back to the boat, and I was trying to tell you, and you didn't hear me, so I'm like, oh shit.
No.
And
Arthur.
then I saw the rain, it was weird, because I saw the rain and it was just coming in a sheet across right for us.
It like hurt.
Yeah, it was.
I thought it was hail for a second, but that's unlikely. Arthur was all alone in here. He was freaking out.
Oh.
All right, well, look at that. It's just everywhere in the floor.
there a dry spot with just ladies out
No. There's no dry spots.
in the world?
Not in our world. Not right now.
What is up with this rain?
What you doing?
Making breakfast.
Eggs?
Yep.
What kind of eggs?
Subscribed eggs. We got yolks for days.
Some waves here, but they're big, rolling.
We are leaving Rudder Cut Key and heading to Georgetown. We have to go on the outside, so it's kind of rolly. Waves are, what would you say, 3 to 4 maybe?
It said 5.5.
5.5? Whoa.
With an extra, well, that's not 3 to 4.
Whoa!
Yeah. See, that's what I mean. These waves are different than the Gulf, what we're used to. If you look at this thing, these are like swell rolling waves.
Yeah.
It's been gusty this morning, so we have these 5 to 6 foot rollers with some chop on top of them, and then you get some big dogs like this, and it'll probably be more like that.
Yo, this is not good. We got some rolling ass waves. Scary. Boats go on like this. Arthur's freaked out. Nick's down below. Stuff is flying everywhere. This is the anchor falling overboard all over again. Makes me super nervous and being out there in this weather.
It's a lot better with that jib up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For the love of God, don't go out there and
We're in a time crunch because we have to get Kelly to the airport tomorrow. Normally we would have just hunkered down, I think, and enjoyed whatever anchorage we were at.
yeah, we don't
We wouldn't do this, but we're out on the outside here, on the Exuma Sound side, not on the bank side, and it's the last week of weather has really stirred this up. It's like a washing machine. We have 6-7 footers with, I gotta think, 1 or 2 that are even bigger than that coming in on these sets. They're big and they're rolly, and we basically have a garage sale going on down inside. Whoa, look at that. It just, that was a big one. You can see them just coming in, sort of. The camera never does them justice. We got winds out of the east at like 6 knots. So we put a full jib up, and it made a huge difference, slowing us down on our rocking and preventing us from going way over to one side and way over to the other. That jib just kind of keeps us in the middle. I would have also put up the main, but I don't want to deal with the main and this and trying to get that up and the jib seems to be doing the job. And if we get, I mean, it's raining too. We've had some weird squalls come through. We're going about 6-7 knots, so we got about 4 hours to this. I think it's manageable. The biggest annoyance we have right now is that our bimini is leaking like a sieve. We left the hatches open yesterday, so everything is wet inside. It's just hard to get things dry. It sucks, I'll tell you that. Now we got, not only is everything wet, now everything's scattered all over the boat because we came out here when it was rolling like a son of a bitch.
Just got raindrop in my eyeball.
King Arthur in his lair. Sad day. Kelly's going home on this rainy day in Georgetown.
Just for 2 days.
For 2 days. She's flying home today. It's Thursday now, flying back Sunday. So we're dinging up to shore with the little dude. Taxi's picking her up. And flying solo for a few days.
Don't get too crazy.
Oh, party time! Yeah, party time. More like editing time, I think. We're falling behind, so that and some cleanup, because that boat's still drenched, everything's wet. Drizzling today, hoping this stuff stops soon so we can dry the boat out.
I'm gonna miss my little guy and my big guy. Hey, baby.
Baby, you ready?
Yeah. I'm.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Call me.
Bye, little one.
I can follow later, but that's all right.
Songs of worries, traveling with the storm. But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same.